So first up, let's go to shortcuts and type in the search bar in gallery, edit webpage. So you should see a little icon there, and scroll to the bottom and press add shortcut. So just go to all shortcuts to verify, and now let's go to Safari. You could go to any website, but it doesn't work on Chrome or any other web browser. For this one, I'm using apple.com, and press share, scroll to the bottom and press edit web page. Press allow and should say a tick. So double tap and double down click, and now you can edit the text. So this is just a really fun way to edit some stuff on the web. This is not going to work on any other web browser except from Safari, and this will not work on Mac because it doesn't have shortcuts. This won't show what you're editing on other people's because this is only for you to see, and this is just a really fun way to troll or make fun videos.